Everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video, we're gonna take a look how we can bold our web document, or we can style our web document through bolding. So just follow along with me. Use any editor of your choice. So I'm gonna put my bracket. As you can see, I was already working on a project. So in this project, I'm gonna just show you how to use a strong tag to bold our document. In before HTML5, we were using capital B. We were using B to bold our document. Let me just bold Wikipedia. Let me just run it. That was the old way. That we always use B. You see, this is Wikipedia already bold. But today in modern HTML5, no longer use bold again. So let me just show you what they are using now. Used by strong. I'm just gonna cut this one as usual. The way programmer, we are too lazy. I'm gonna paste. So you got the idea. So this is it. So let me just refresh my page. You see, it's still the same thing. So if you just try to you got the idea. So see, Wikipedia is bold. So this is how we bold our HTML5 modern document for today. Another tag again is like, let us just use references. You got the idea. I'm just gonna cut this one. I just paste it here and refresh. You see, all the text have changed. So this is how we bold our document. We no longer use bill again and italic, but we use the two stack, the two tag, this one and strong to bold our document. So this is what I have for you guys for today. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. And if there's any other, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button for more video every week. Until then, see you guys.